Brittany with WTI, and I thrive on productivity. But to be productive, I need to make sure I have my things. And this Vercord purse organizing insert helps me to not only have all my things, but them to be easily accessible. So as you can see, there are so many pockets on this insert on both sides, inside. It is so awesome. I can have my hand sanitizer, my chapstick, I have my mints, my pen, my notepad. I also have my travel makeup along with the tin that I have. So the reason why I love this insert is not only is it waterproof, it's durable, it's lightweight, but it also is so easy to put in and take out of a bag. So it's nice to not have to worry. All I have to do is pull the insert out of one bag and put it in the next. And I'm good to go, and I know I have everything I could possibly need throughout the day. So if you're the type of person who goes out on long days and needs a lot to keep you going, this is such a great insert. It's really assuring to know that when you need something, it's easily accessible. And that's my point of view.